Phuresidennde Avha kale vho ambarelwa nga divhazwakale yo pfuma zwiito zwa tshitalula, vho rangaphanda muvhuso wo ḓalaho malofha a vharema zwanḓani zwawo, vharema vha ita na u valelwa dzidzhele nga ṅwambo wa u imedzana na muvhuso uyu. Naho zwo ralo muvhuso uyo wo fhedza u tshi kombetshedza u vhofholola vhalwela mbofholo u tou fana na phuresidennde wa u ranga wa murema vho Nelson Mandela u bva dzhele. Vho-De Klerk vha khou lovha vha songo tou tenda tshoṱhe uri muvhuso wa tshitalula wo vha vhutshinyi lushakani. Phuresidennde Vho-Cyril Ramaphosa vha ri na u ḓivhazwakale ya vho-De Klerk i songo tou kuna sa mahaḓa, fhedzi vho shuma zwihulu kha u fhirisela lino shango kha muvhuso wa demokirasi.
We are saddened that vho-De Klerk has passed away. He was 85 years old and had not been well for some time. It saddens us because he did play a key role in ushering in democracy in our country. He was a leader of a party that was largely discredited in relation to the role that the National Party played in enforcing apartheid.
Vho Ramaphosa vha ri naho muvhuso wa lihoro National Party wo vilinganya vhutshilo ha vharema vhanzhi, fhedzi vho-De Klerk vho vha thikho ya u fheliswa ha zwiito zwa tshitalula.
But he had the courage to step away from the path that his party that he led had embarked upon from 1948, and we will remember him for that.
Vho-De Klerk vha khou lovha nga nḓila ya mulalo vhe muḓini wavho, fhedzi miṱa minzhi a i ḓivhi uri masalela a vhafunwa vhavho a ngafhi nga ṅwambo wa muvhuso wavho wa tshitalula.
And of course, the policies that the apartheid regime espoused and implemented have wreaked a lot of havoc on millions and millions of South Africans. And it was the havoc that many of our people will never forget and have suffered from.
A zwi athu vha khagala arali vho-De Klerk vha tshi ḓo ṋewa mbulungo ya muvhuso.
Zwa zwino kha ri lavhelese na u thetshelesa mulaedza wo fhedzisela we vho-De Klerk vha u rekhoda vha tshi khou livhisa kha lushaka.
This is my last message addressed to the people of South Africa. To my dear wife and family, I will say goodbye in a different way. Our country faces so many challenges of a serious nature. I hold firm opinions about all of them, but decided to keep this message very short and only really focus on two issues, touching me and touching the country. I, without qualification, apologize for the pain and the hurt and the indignity and the damage that apartheid has done to black, brown and Indians in South Africa.
We don't care about De Klerk. Our hearts goes with the families, the victims of De Klerk. We are just worried that De Klerk dies without telling us who pulled the trigger in Umtata, Pendulo children. We are just worried about them. We don't care about De Klerk. We just wish and hope that his remains will be thrown in the sea and of course not in the African seas. If things were going PAC way, there's no need for De Klerk to get a state funeral. For what? For killing Africans? For oppressing us? For what?
The United Democratic Movement passes its own condolences to the De Klerk family and his former colleagues. The President De Klerk, we have had a rocky relationship relations with him when I was in charge of Transkei. So he punished us financially. And also he authorized raids in Transkei. A number of those people were intercepted. Many of them were Askaris, but be that as it may, he will be remembered as having played a role in facilitating for New South Africa.
We are saying to the family, let them receive our condolences. Mr. De Klerk was far better than any other leader which led South Africa, and we are saying for that, he was not our hero, but he did what he was supposed to do.